Yeah, so this is part 2. Let's continue debunking this liar.
Today, with the power of the internet, modern-day flat earthers have picked up where V'lava left off. They have quite good explanations for any evidence you throw at them that the earth is round. Circumnavigation is really just a flat circle path. The round shadow Earth casts on the moon during a lunar eclipse could also be...
Why aren't you using the simplest argument? The videos and pictures taken from NASA. Why aren't you using this, Mr. vsauce? Because if your heart was in the right place, you say, well, the Earth is filmed from outer space, and that's it. That is the proof. I'm not talking to you, delusional flat earther. That was the correct approach, but no, you are giving some lame-ass explanation with Eratosthenes and moon shadow. Who cares, man? This is jibber-jabbing. If you go into geometry too much, if you go into math, you'll end up jibber-jabbing. So the idea is that things are quite simple. You have the moon, you have the sun, there are lights in the sky, they are lighting the earth. They are not spheres, they are not objects in space who are exerting gravity or different other powers or forces on the earth. Okay, that's rubbish, and you are speaking rubbish. You are, of course, a gatekeeper for the system. This is why I'm making this video, to expose you.
Disk. Time zones are caused by a spotlight sun, and remember how gravity would be totally different on a disc-shaped planet? Well,
this is that stupid argument.
As we know it simply doesn't exist. The flat disk of Earth is merely accelerating up at 9.8 meters per second.
You're a liar, okay? This is a lie. Nobody's saying the Earth is accelerating. You're a liar, okay? This is a lie, so pay attention, okay? If you don't believe in the flat Earth, and if you're watching my video, this guy is using a lie to support his arguments. No serious flat earther says the Earth is accelerating. No, this is rubbish. This is gibberish. This is controlled opposition. You understand? The Earth is stationary. The Earth is not accelerating. Okay? This is the worst kind of shill, vsauce. This is the worst type of shill. Fuck you, vsauce. Fuck you.
As for all of the photos and video evidence we now have that the Earth is round thanks to space exploration, well, all of that material is completely fabricated. A hoax perpetrated by Big Globe. Space agencies, airlines,
kiss my ass.
Manufacturers.
Kiss my ass, liar.
The rewards of our
You're a liar.
That the Earth is actually round.
Motherfucker.
They know, of course, that it's flat, and they're hiding that truth from us. Is it merely a coincidence that the logo used by the Flat Earth Society is a
kiss my ass, liar,
projection of
fucking
Earth
liar,
centered on the North Pole, and also happens to be the projection used by the United Nations? Are these people for real? Probably not most of them, but this is the crux of Poe's law, an adage that states that at their extremes, parody of extremism and sincere extremism are difficult to distinguish. Although clever, flat Earth theories are predominantly ad hoc explanations.
Motherfucking shill. Motherfucking shill. Here's the worst kind of shill. Here's the worst type. He's arrogant. Where do you get your arrogance from, you motherfucker? You produce nothing in your life, only lies. You have this shit channel called vsauce or vsauce 2. I don't give a shit. You are a liar. You are not producing anything but lies. You are controlled opposition by the system designed to discredit the truth. So your sin is big, you motherfucker. Your sin is big. Fucking asshole. Piece of shit, scum of the earth.
excuses made up on the spot that only address one issue and don't fit all the evidence. Science, of course, rejects a theory if a better one fits more of our observations, but why the egotistical obsession with our observations? A cosmic ray particle could use the very same scientific method we use and conclude that the Earth was in fact flat.
Kiss my
You
ass.
see, at speeds near the speed of light, time slows down and lengths contract. One way we know this is that unstable muons created in the upper atmosphere by the collision of...
You have no proof for these muons. You motherfucker, you have no proof. This is gibberish, okay, like the theory of relativity. That's gibberish, okay, that's fake. That's fake, you motherfucker.
Cosmic rays with the atmosphere should mostly decay before reaching Earth's surface.
What the fuck do you know?
We detect a lot of them down here because their crazy fast speed.
What the fuck do you know?
Means that from our perspective, their physics runs according to a slower clock, and to them, the distance they have to cover to the surface during their short lives is from their...
Okay, so do your own fucking research, man. If you're watching this liar, okay, search about muons and you find that this muon shit is just gibberish, it's just shit, okay? 90% of research is bullshit, okay? I work in the academia. I know what I'm talking about. Research is BS. Research is BS because you have to submit to a way of thinking, to repeat lies. You cannot be original. You're not allowed. So everything you construct, you have to construct on a false basis, okay? I'm a scholar and I have to lie sometimes to get my paycheck. I'm not proud of it, but this is what I gotta do. I keep away from research as much as I can because it's a lie and a hoax. And this guy is citing lies and hoaxes.
Perspective much, much shorter than it appears to us. If you were a cosmic ray proton traveling at 99.99999999991% the speed of light, Earth would appear to be only 17 meters thick in the direction you travel. So Earth is flat to...
This is gibberish. You don't have to worry or to waste any neurons to understand this gibberish model. You can if you want, but that's not necessary, that's not required.
Thin, but round to us. It is ball-shaped to some observers and flat to others.
Kiss my ass, liar!
A single most correctest in all circumstances.
Kiss my fucking ass.
Susan Hack compares knowledge to a crossword puzzle.
You're a fucking
New
liar.
answers interweave with old ones. They all reinforce one another. The clues are the questions.
Look at this
we
face.
ask, and the way
This
the
rat
answers
face.
fall into a predetermined
You're
order,
a rat.
Well, that's our confidence that we're on the right track. But that doesn't mean that one day there will be a finished puzzle, a complete answer.
You should stop, you fucking liar. Hear my words. Stop lying. Tell the truth. Tell the truth, man. You have enough money. You lied enough. Enough is enough. Tell the truth. I know it's hard. I know it's hard to tell the truth and show your face. I know. I understand you. What I don't like is your audacity, is your guts in lying. What's this duping delight, you motherfucker? Fuck your face. If you lie, don't do it with a smile, you motherfucker. You're lying to people, you're deceiving people.
Recall the New York Times famous 1996 crossword puzzle that came out the
Kiss my ass with your puzzle.
The U.S. election between Bill Clinton and Bob Dole. The clue
Who
for
gives a
39
fuck?
across was pretty crazy. You seemed to need to be able to tell the future to answer it correctly. It simply said, lead story in tomorrow's newspaper. Blank elected.
This is
Well, that
gibberish.
blank could be Clinton or Bob Dole. And who's to say which one until tomorrow? there's no way to know. But as it turned out,
Who gives
the
a
answer
fuck, man?
was Clinton or Bob Dole. No matter which you wrote in, all the other clues fit. For instance, a black Halloween animal could either be
Gives
a
a fuck.
cat or a bat. Our knowledge about the outside world might be the same. A puzzle with no answer key, just the reassurance that the answers we think we know fit together. So they're probably correct.
I started this channel, and so far I stated only two things. You have only two things you can learn from me. I gave a flat earth argument, arguing that there is a theoretical reason for the powers that be to hide the flat earth, and that is the shape of the flat earth allows for an edge or for more land to discover. So I proved the question, why would they hide the flat earth, is stupid, because it's misinformed and it has no logic. You would have something to hide. You have more land on a flat plane, or you have an edge, which is in fact the end of the earth. Okay, on a ball you have no such things. On a ball you move indefinitely all the time. This was the first thing I did on my channel. The second thing, I focused on showing that there is no evidence for the curve. No real evidence except for the NASA bullshit or any other space agency for this case. Okay, so these are the two pillars. I have two pillars in my work. The fact that they have a reason to hide the flat earth, and you have no proof for the curve. I know this is not much, okay, but what I am telling you, even though it's not much, is correct. You find me a proof for the curve because you don't have, and you have to accept my argumentum ad absurdum, which says that there is a reason to hide the flat earth. If you listen to this guy, he will only give you gibberish and fill your head with nonsense because he has nothing to offer. He's most likely a paid liar because he responds to money. He likes money, and he has this ability to fool people and to play this stupid character called vsauce. Okay, I understand his name is Michael. Okay,